Okay, welcome to week 8, assignment 1. This is a two-part assignment. So if you go here to assignment 1, you will see both parts are in this. The very first thing you have to do is you have to go to typingtest.com. And go ahead and take your 1-minute typing test like you always do. And at the end, you are going to get your completed stats, and it'll be your words per minute, your misspelled words, and your adjusted speed. So now what you need to do is you need to make a screenshot, however you've been making a screenshot of this. So we're going to make a screenshot. And I'm going to go ahead and save it. You can save it either on your desktop, if you have a folder on your desktop, on your computer, somehow you need to save it because you're going to be uploading it to OneDrive. So I have a folder on my desktop called Intro to Computer Apps, and I'm going to name it Typing Test Time October. The more descriptive you can be about naming your stuff, it will be the easier it will be for you to find it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Now, if you go back here, it tells you you're going to go to OneDrive. This tells you how to do it. You're going to do SSO, which is their single sign-on, to Office 365 Tile, OneDrive, Intro to Computer Apps, and Quarter 1. So we're going to go here to where our computer apps are. We're going to go to Office 365. Over here on the left, there should be a cloud that says OneDrive. Somewhere in your files here, I probably have a lot more than you do. You should have a folder that we created in one of the previous assignments. So you need to click on it. And then we're going to go to Quarter 1. And you should already have this one in here. We did that in week 5. But we're going to upload a file. We're going to go and find our file. And we're going to upload it so that it will be here. Okay, then it says you are going to, then in the assignment, so over here where you say submit assignment, you're going to click submit assignment, and you are going to copy and paste this sentence. So it says my typing speed is. So if I was doing this, I would say my typing speed is 42. And it meets or does not meet. You need to either delete the one that it doesn't, or you can underline it, or you can bold it, you can do something. You just need to be able to tell me, yes, it does or does not meet my typing goal of, and whatever your typing goal was, for the first quarter. All right. Then the second part of this is you have to set your second goal. You're going to set your second quarter goal. It should be at least 20% of whatever your typing speed is now. So if my typing speed was 20 words per minute, my new goal would be 24 words, because 20% of 20 is 4, so 20 plus 4 is 24 words. For 42, you figure that 20% of 42 is about 8, so my new speed would be 50. So do the best you can with this. You guys have done percentages in math, even 6th graders. But basically all you have to do is do 20 times 0.20, and then you'll know what your percentage is. As always, if you have any questions or problems, just message me and I will get back to you as soon as possible.